Hey everybody, and good morning. I want to show you this product, and it's important that you get this because it's something you're going to need when you don't know you're going to need it. And I'm going to show you what this is, and then I'll tell you why I have it. So this is a portable jump box for a battery, 12-volt battery. All right, this is all that it is right here. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Rauxer, but this is a jump starter. Now, this little box might look unassuming, but you can start a tractor trailer truck 10 times with this jump box. So if it'll do that, imagine what it'll do for your car. Now, I bought this just to have on hand, in case I needed it. And I've only needed it one time. But now I have an electric vehicle and I don't need it anymore. And I do keep this in my car now to help other people. If I see somebody that needs a jump, I'm the first one to pull this out of the back of the car and go help them. It's really simple. Now this has a little connector right here. All right? See that little connector? And there's a set of cables that come with this. And this is all you need. All right? This is all you need right here. And that happens to plug in right there, okay, like this. Plugs in right there and it's ready to go. So you will take these and hook them up to your battery, and you will hit start on this, go in your car, you turn this on, go in your car, and jump start it. Simple as that. And it's going to work every time. So I told you I also bought this for a reason. I've got a generator that is electric start. I've got many tools that are electric start. If the battery on my generator were to die, I can go outside and get it started with this without having to pull, hand crank the thing. Very simple and easy. Now, this does a lot more than what you think. So this here will show, well, it doesn't show because it's not plugged in, but it's fully charged. And this sat in my car for 6 months, and it only went down 1 bar. It only went down 1 bar, and it still had 3 out of 4 bars. So it only lost 25% of its charge over the course of 6 months, which is pretty good. I also used this to jumpstart my son's lawnmower. He had a big lawnmower, and the battery had died on it. It was no good. So I went over, got it started, and I was able to resurrect the machine, get it running just to make sure it was okay. Now on the back of this, it has a beautiful high intensity flashlight in case you need to see. It also has 2 USB charging ports, so you're never without power. And it charges right here with USB-C. All right. It doesn't really take long to charge. Now this, check it out. I'm going to let you know, see what it says here. And what it says down here, emergency power savior. It's 12 volts, 1,000 amps. That's serious power right there, 1,000 amps in this box. I can't say enough about it. I highly recommend it. Even if you never use it, you've got it. And take it out of the car every 6 months and just throw it on the charger, and now I'm probably good until June before I charge it again, and it'll only be down. I hope I find somebody that I can help with this. I don't go looking for people that have trouble, but if I'm someplace and somebody's standing there looking at their engine and it won't start because the battery's dead, I'm going to help them. So check it out. And if you can, help me out by liking and subscribing and clicking the bell so I can get more subscribers, and it helps me grow my message, and it helps other people learn about products like this. Thank you so much.